Hey everybody, today we're super excited to talk to you guys all about some really fun DIY and inexpensive Young Living gifts that you guys can give out this holiday season.
So we all know you have teachers, friends, family, neighbors, I don't know, everyone. I feel like we always are looking for last minute gift ideas. And this is one that we are really excited about. So what we did is we got an avocado and then the little lavender sachets are in here.
Sample sachets.
The little sample sachets of lavender. We put 2. And then we put a capsule of vitamin E oil. And what you can do is make a little tag that tells them to mix these ingredients together and it becomes a DIY facial, at-home facial. Super easy, so cute, and you can tie it up in a little baggie with some instructions. Maybe you add some of the benefits of vitamin E and avocado and maybe lavender. And they just mash it up and put it on their face for 10 minutes or so.
And it's super inexpensive. The cost of an avocado is like $1 or $2. The sample sachets are really inexpensive, and then you just throw in a capsule of vitamin E.
And you can buy the sachets in bulk, so you can
really
make a lot of these for really cheap.
All right, next we have so many to talk about.
We have a lot.
Next, let's talk about this.
Oh, I'm excited about this.
Cute idea that you can do is you can get a mug, throw in a peppermint vitality, which is around like $7 or $8, and then a packet of organic hot chocolate, and then package it up and give it to your neighbor.
Really, really cute. The other one you can do is just a simple bar soap with vitality oil. So we did lemon vitality and the lemon sandalwood bar soap. Just tie it up, and again. Lemon Vitality I think is $7 or $6.50, something around there. Really cheap, and then the bar soap is I think $10.
10 or 13, something like that.
And so this combined together would be a really, really cute gift, and they smell amazing.
And you can pick whatever soap you want, whatever vitality oil you want, pair them together. It's a fun gift that really
anyone would
want
use.
A good smelling soap and vitality oil.
Right.
Next, let's talk about this Ningxia box. So instead of giving a whole box of Ningxia Red or Nitro or Zing to someone, give them a little sample box. So it's a good way to try out Ningxia Red.
Yep.
And who doesn't love Zing and Ningxia Nitro? So we put in 4 packets of Ningxia Red, 4 Nitro sachets, and 2 bottles of Zing.
And it's all in the packaging, you guys. Just wrap these up really cute, and everyone will just think it's adorable, even if you're like, I spent $5 on that. If you package it up cute, people will love it.
You can do a much better job than we do.
The next one that I love is a bottle of
cute
pasta sauce, and then we just did a little glue dot with a rosemary vitality and a package of pasta. So we did the einkorn pasta, and you could just package this up and give it to your friends and neighbors. So cute, so easy.
And really inexpensive.
Really inexpensive. I mean, you could buy your own pasta sauce or make it in bulk and put it in a little, mason jar, and then do the vitality oil. I think rosemary was like $11.
Yeah, or something like that.
Yeah, right around there. So, and then you just package it up cute, and there you go, a DIY gift under $15.
One of my favorite gifts, they're all our favorite gifts, but I love this idea. So find a glass spray bottle and then get one of your Thieves sample sachets and package these up together. You can actually fold this in half and put it inside of the bottle, slide it right in here, and it's a really cute gift. My neighbors are always asking about Thieves. They can get a sample of Thieves because I always talk about it, and I love it. And that's just a cute gift. Wrap these up together.
Make a
really
cute
fun
tag
and really inexpensive.
Yeah, make a tag so that someone knows how to use it, what it is, and they're getting a lot of cleaning solution just from this little packet. So.
And the back of these actually tells you how to dilute it too. So it actually tells you right there, so it makes it super simple for you.
The next thing, buy the bath bombs. You can tie them up like this. We did it, and we were gonna draw a little snowman face on
really
here.
Cute.
You can make it into a little snowman, or you can package them separately and just wrap them up, tie a cute bow, and come up with a cute saying. Super easy. Who doesn't love bath bombs? I mean, these are great stocking stuffers. So wrap it up, make it cute.
I love this, and we actually shared this on our Facebook page yesterday. So get some of your favorite Vitality seasoning oils, like you can get rosemary, basil, ginger, whatever you want, and put this cute tag that we have available to download on our page. It says Season's Greetings. So
really
it's a little play on words. Get your favorite seasoning, put it in a little bag like this. It's super cute and a fun and inexpensive way to share that loving.
The next one, just a bottle of Zing with your favorite Vitality oil. I mean, again, it's all in the packaging, so just wrap it up cute. We put grapefruit, so grapefruit and zing. And again, you could buy one package of zing and have a lot of gifts to go around just by doing a little package like this, separating it all out.
And here's another little tag that we're going to share tomorrow, actually. So it says, it's Christmas time. It's a tag, but it's like time, you know, T-H-Y-M-E with a little time. So it's super cute. So fun little gift.
Attach it with a time vitality. Okay, what else do we have here?
Why don't you share the coffee
This
scrub?
one. Oh yeah. So this is a coffee scrub that we made. You can just get organic coffee beans, grind them up, and then add in a few different ingredients.
Epsom salt, sugar, coconut oil, and your favorite vitality oils.
And it smells amazing. We like to add grapefruit and orange.
Or even cypress too. Those are really good. They work synergistically together with the coffee for your body.
Yep. And then it's just a cute coffee scrub. Put it in a mason jar. Attach a little tag. Haley made this cute tag. It's adorable. And then just tie a bow on it, and it's an awesome little gift that really, again, you can get a lot of coffee beans, grind them up, and it goes a long way.
A long ways. Same with like a sugar or a salt scrub. So these are cute jars that we just got like at Hobby Lobby. You can mix your own, like whatever of essential oils.
Yeah.
So you make a sugar scrub with Epsom salt, sugar, coconut oil. Add your favorite oh my gosh, your favorite regular essential oils like Stress Away, lemon, lime for the scent that you are looking for, and then put them into jars, give them to all your friends.
It's so easy to make too. I know sometimes DIY gifts seem overwhelming, but when you are making these in bulk, it goes so fast. Another thing you can do is Epsom salt. So just do Epsom salt with a little bit of your favorite essential oils and just put that into a little jar, and so easy. So easy.
So simple, so easy.
I think that's actually what this is. Oh, this is a sugar scrub, so we kind of talked about that already.
And then another last thing that you guys can do is just get some of your favorite Vitality oils.
Yeah.
Some of the Vitality oils are really inexpensive. Lime Vitality is $7. And you can pair it,
11, I think.
but you could pair it with like rosemary, which is just a couple dollars, or lime, and just put a couple oils together, package it, give it to your friends. It's a super fun way to use oils, and they make
share it. I mean, there's so many times that people are asking me about essential oils, but then they don't buy essential oils, and you're like, well, maybe if they just had some, they would understand. So this time of year is a great time to share essential oils, share Young Living without it being maybe a little like weird or cliche. I don't know.
Fun.
It's just fun, and you can package it up cute and make it really easy and fun for your neighbors and your friends.
So comment below which DIY gift you are most excited about. And we will be posting these throughout the week too. We'll be posting them on our Facebook page so you guys can see them up close and personal.
Thanks so much for tuning in.